I think he likes it. Yeah. Were you talking earlier, Ryder? You were talking to it earlier. You do it again. You do it again. There's his crib and his handmade art. Ryder, say hi, Aunt Stacy. Hi, Cameron and Maddie and Kaden and Jace. I want to meet you sometime. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hi and bye. I miss you and love you.